How to register for Vanilla Visa gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily register for a new Vanilla Visa gift card. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and search for vanillagift.com, and you'll land on this website. Now here what you need to do is to activate or to register for a new card. What you need to do is tap on the hamburger menu that's on the left side of your screen, and this menu will pop up on your screen. So all you have to do here is tap on activate your card. Now here you'll just have to enter your card number and then the expiration date of your card and also the CVV code of your card that's typically on the back of your card. So go ahead and enter the 16-digit card number, then the expiration date of your month, year, and then the 3-digit CVV code. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once you do that, click on continue and you are now registered for a new Vanilla Visa gift card. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.